and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because I love doing arts and crafts, stuff like that, and I love when I can tie it into the videos I'm making for you guys. So today we have a thrift flip. I am going to be thrifting these $6 jeans. They are from Shein and they are size medium. So I don't know if you guys have seen the trend of half bleached jeans. It was kind of a thing on TikTok, but I think I'm going to do that with these shorts. And then I also don't know if you guys have seen the trend of the smiley face jeans with bleach, but I think I'm going to add a little bit of spice to these and do that on the other side. I'll kind of show you guys what I mean over here, and with that, let's get into it. Alright guys, so for this you are obviously going to need your shorts. I chose these ones. You guys can choose whichever ones you want. You are going to need bleach. I just got the cheap bleach. It doesn't really matter. Some paint brushes. I honestly think this would be way easier if you had a Tide pen, but I don't have one on me. Something that you can write with. I'm using this eyebrow pencil I don't use because it comes off easily. A sponge, some gloves, some tape, a bowl, and lastly, I'm laying all this down on a trash bag so I don't mess up my carpet. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is decide which side I'm going to fully bleach, which is going to be this one, and this one I'm going to be doing the smiley faces on. So I'm going to go on ahead and tape this up the way I need it taped and then get into it. Alright guys, so now that I have it bleached up, I'm going to go on ahead and pour some bleach into this. Grab my sponge, put on my gloves, and get to work. Put on your sponge, and then just rub. Okay guys, so the front is done. Let's flip it over, take care of the back. See, it's already kind of coming through. So now I got the front and the back all bleach, or all of the bleach is on there. I'm going to let it set for a little bit, but I am going to put it in a Walmart sack just so I don't have to smell it, for one, and two, to let it cook a little bit since I can't go outside. Okay, so now I'm going to work on the smiley face, and first I'm just going to kind of sketch them out with my brow pencil, like I said. An idea of what I want. Alright guys, so now I have got this done. I am going to let them set for a little while, and then I'm going to rinse them off, as you can see over here actually. And after that is all said and done, you are going to want to wash it in the washing machine. I'm going to wash them just by themselves, which I'll also throw a video of. And now let's see how they look. What's up guys? Okay, I am obsessed with these. They fit so well. They're so cute. I literally love them. And they pair so well with this Nirvana tee, which is a great time to tell you guys about our giveaways that we still have going on until next Friday. This one is happening on our TikTok where you can go win this Nirvana tee. We have the Puma and Shroot Farms one happening on YouTube, which was in our last video. Go check it out so you don't miss that. And then we also have one happening on our Facebook and Instagram that is this really cute Western Company tee that you're not going to want to miss either. I will include pictures and links pictures and social media usernames over here so you guys can go check them out. And guys, while you're here, go on ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so I can keep bringing you videos like this. And comment if you guys have more videos you want to see, or if you just want to tell me how much you also love these, because I know we're all obsessed. And with that, guys, thank you so much again for watching and hanging out with me, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.